Hello, I am TUSHAR.
I am Kaku Srivastava.
We both are from AMU ROBOCLUB, and here we are to explain you how you can make your very own line follower. First of all, let us introduce you with the components of how to make a line follower. This is your Arduino Uno board. This is L29 3D motor driver. One motor driver is enough to drive or to interface two motors. These are two DC motors. The current rating of these motors is 0.8 ampere and the RPM is around 100. This is your regular 9-volt battery. These are two IR sensors which you would be needing to get the reading from the colors of the arena. So IR sensor is normal infrared sensors. This is your Arduino cable, and these are your wheels. This is battery connector, and at last we have few jumper wires. So let's start the connection. Before starting the connection, let us introduce you with the Arduino board. This is your analog input pins A0 to A5. These are ground and 5-volt pins. This is your reset button. These are all digital pins, and you can easily observe that few pins are marked with a special sign, and this special sign indicates that these are PWM pins, and the pins which don't have these special signs are not PWM pins.
First of all, we will connect our IR sensors to the Arduino board. There are 3 pins on our IR sensors: VCC, ground and Vout. The Vout pin will be connected to our Arduino board, and VCC and ground are connected to the supply and ground pins respectively. So first of all, we will connect our Vout to the Arduino board. Similarly, we will connect the Vout of the second sensor to our Arduino board. Now we have to give the supply and the ground connection to the sensors. For this we are using this PCB. We have 2 sets of pins which are shorted at the back. So to one set of pin we will connect one pin to the VCC supply of our board. So now all the pins of these pins are at 5-volt supply. Similarly, we will connect the second set of pins to the ground pin on our board, so that all these pins are now grounded. So now we have 2 pins left on our sensors, VCC and ground. The VCC pin will be connected to the VCC pin of this PCB. Similarly, ground pin will be connected to the ground pin on this board. Similarly, we will connect a second sensor to our Arduino board. So now our sensors are connected to the Arduino board. Now we have this L29 3D module with the IC on it. We will connect it to our motors. One motor here and the second motor here. We will connect the motors to the L29 3D module like this. Now we have to connect the L29 3D to our Arduino board. So we have 7 pins on it, 4 for respective motors and 3 pins are for supply and ground. So we will connect Here these two pins to our Arduino board according to your program, to which pin you are giving the output. So now we will connect our motor pins to the board like this. It is up to you that to which pin of the Arduino board you are connecting motors. Similarly, we will connect these two pins. So now 3 pins are left, one for 12 volt supply, one ground and one 5 volt. So we will connect the 5 volt pin to the 5 volt pin on our PCB, similarly ground to the ground pin, and the 12 volt pin will be given supply through the battery. The power supply to the L29 3D, we will connect one end of the battery to the 12 volt pin and other end of the battery to the ground pin. Now all the connections have been done. Now you can burn the code, your program, into the Arduino board using this A to B cable and assemble all these and form a chassis according to your convenience and design.
You can make one chassis using these wheels, and you can find the code example of this in the description below. But try to make your own code, make it more better. All the best for your LFR exam, LFR competition. Don't forget to subscribe AMU RoboClub channel. Thank you.